What? My phone is here. I got this for my anniversary about a month ago, and it just came in the mail. And Rob was gonna go wrap it up and put it on the tree. This is how grimy Rob is. Rob said, "Don't open it. Wrap it up and put it on the tree." I'm like, dude, you gave that to me for my anniversary. Look at the kiddos. Look, this is what I gotta deal with. They're not 3, 4, 5 years old. That big old teenager. That one is about to be a teenager next year. She's right on the cusp of being a teenager. And them two are 2 years in. 13, 14, yeah, 2 years in to teenagehood. And they still running around my house. Like, I keep telling them, this subfloor will give out. It's a riot home. They don't use quality, nothing. So one of these days, they're going to run around and then you're going to hear... And then they're going to fall in the basement.
And I will see it.
I love you.
When?
I love you. I just detangled her hair. Get ready to be washed. Of course she wasn't happy. Say, I wasn't happy. I wasn't happy.
I wasn't happy with this mother.
I wasn't happy.
Mother ain't happy.
Oh, look at Jason's phone. He's still not even upgraded.
That's his upgrade, huh?
Yeah, Destiny got a phone for Christmas.
Why?
I didn't tell y'all that, did I?
No.
Destiny got a phone for Christmas.
No, I didn't.
But the cheap phone ain't working, so we had to send it back to Samsung yesterday. That's why we were at the UPS place yesterday, because her phone broke, and we had to send it back. Because, yeah, Samsung don't make nothing of good quality. Yeah, I said it. Everything Samsung we have ever owned is broken. What? What phone? You don't have no phone. Try buy. By the time you get ready for a phone, you're going to have iPhone. You're going to have iPhone and there's going to be something else out. Stinky. So I think this is how you hold it to get like... Yeah, I did see the mailman. Oh, he's back over there? He's always around here.
Is this whole 8 hours here?
I think so. Anyways, guys. Look at my sexy man. Hey, sexy Rob. Look at you.
Where?
Okay, guys. So I took out the leaf out of this table. Sometimes I just feel like I have way too much stuff, and I just want to declutter. So I started with my table, made it smaller, took away some of the chairs because we have 4 bar stool over there, and then we had 5, 6 chairs here, and then we have a ton of chairs over here, which these chairs are broken and I have to replace them, but that's for another time. I have to get a rug, whatever. But yeah.
No, he said on here.
But if I was to do like
You know, since Jordan hasn't been down here, I have no problem.
No, I can't do
Jason's been down here, I have no problem. You come down, and there's problems. What? What?
Look, Rob. I can zoom in. Why are we arguing so much? It's annoying, guys. I really can't deal with it. Can we please cut it out? I'm coming. What are you talking about, girl? Of course I'm coming.
You hear, right?
Yeah, they're always arguing. It's annoying.
Maggie staying?
Oh my, what?
You like the
quality of it?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Try to match my, oh, dang, Rob. Whoa. Touch my pearls. Crap. Get it, Mr. Bigfoot. What? Stop before you wreck my damn tires on my car.
Yeah, before the tire pops.
I know.
And there's still a nail in it.
Yeah, I know.
You're doing the most. That's why my tires are like that.
No,
anyways, we're gonna go to
their thing.
PetSmart to go get Destiny dog a bed.
But it's not those round beds, they're the flat beds.
Yeah, whatever she says.
And it's a black and red plaid flat bed. it's black.
Don't go through the
I
water.
don't want to, but the people.
Dirty my
He
truck.
did it.
I didn't do it all the way.
anyway.
No, not all the way.
So
Did it
we're gonna
rain?
go. You got seatbelt on, young lady?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I read yesterday night.
It rained yesterday night. It rained last night. Yesterday night.
Well,
I can't.
last night.
Yesterday night. What is a yesterday night?
Yesterday night.
Last night?
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Then why don't you just say last
The
night?
night before?
The night before?
Because-
The night before would be the night before last night.
Because
People, learn how to speak English.
my brain.
Take it from a Jamaican, okay? But anyways, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I threw on Old Faithful. I didn't even put makeup up here. Jesus, the camera just be telling on me how lazy I am. Robert about to kill us, so I'm done.
Oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.
I have this really bad habit when I'm sitting in the car and I'm talking to you guys, my eyes is like everywhere because, yeah. But anyways, sitting outside Lido's Pizza waiting. On this camera, I don't know where the lens are. I don't know where the lens is because I don't know. I know for a fact that I can't look at myself because that would just be annoying. But at the same time, I don't know where to look on here. Like, where is the lens? Where the lens? That's where I want to look. I want to talk to y'all. But sitting outside Lido's Pizza, and this man legit just parked in someone else's parking lot and going across the street. Oh, they're back. Not supposed to do that, buddy. Because the other, look at him running. You didn't find the glue?
No.
Okay, guys. So Destiny got her some press-on nail, but she didn't notice that you need a glue to put them on, so she's disappointed to say the least. But her dad took her back to go get glue, but they didn't have any. We're having pizza and who don't like pineapple on their pizza? Like, you're weird, weirdo. But I understand. And then that's the kiddos. Rob's having I'm having wings, and Rob's having a burger or something. What are you having, babe? But this is the kiddos. And then this is Rob's stocking stuffer for his secret person that we don't know about. That's his bag, so I won't be all nosy in it. And then got this for Jaxson because he's afraid to sleep in his room. So we got a nightlight for him. I don't know why Rob got this because we already have one. I guess he's gonna trash the other one because they get grimy after a while. I got some Gatorade for Rob. Love it. I love the camera on this phone. You can you can zoom out. Look at my thing, it's dirty. You can zoom out without losing. Destiny got this for her sister. She's so thoughtful. Rob got me some Q-tips because if you don't know, I love Q-tips and I can't live without them. That was very thoughtful of him. Because he noticed that I was out and he made sure that I'm no longer without, right? Shot glasses. Shot. Yeah. Got some hair stuff for me. I got a brush because I have a new wig that's coming tomorrow. So I got my own brush for that. I got some batteries for the kiddos because nothing is worse than Christmas morning. You go to open up a toy that requires battery and you don't have any. So I got a bunch of batteries. I got 4 packs. They were $4 for 4. And then the rest I put. We got Juju a new bed, and then we got him a toy for Christmas. So for Juju's Christmas present, we got him a new bed because he likes to be on my couch, and I don't like animals on my couch. So I got him this. every single bed we have ever gotten him, he has destroyed it. So yeah, there's that. Toddler is on technology, and she helped herself to snack. So got a big bag of rice that I need to put away. And I think I have more. I got some more stuff. I got some scissors to cut the lace off my wig. And then I have 2 containers. This container, I got these 2. They were $1 containers to organize my clips. So these are for wig clips for when you're styling your wig. Got some bobby pins. And then I got some hair ties for my hair. That way the girls can't mess with my stuff. I was going to go see like a light show, but the traffic out there right now is retarded. Let's use a different word because I don't want anybody to be offended. The traffic out there is just not something I want to deal with. So, no. This year I just want to be home and just not have to, because somebody did something. I said to Rob, I said, because someone let us in to the traffic because it was a long line. They let us into the traffic, and there was another intersection that wanted to come over. And I told Rob, I said, let this person over because someone else let you over. Be nice and return the favor. Sure enough, he let this person over, and this other person came around and drive him, almost hit his car. Well, he didn't almost hit his car, but he cut Rob off, and Rob was like, this is why I didn't want to let anybody over, but I just don't want to deal with the mess that's out there right now. Rob is helping himself to my Gatorade Zero. So, anyways, I'm going to go eat, and
Who else drinks with your pinky out?
Jason. I'm going to go eat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.